Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off the reminders to breathe on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are not interested in doing the guided breathing with Apple Watch, the reminders to breathe can be very annoying. Here is how you can turn off the reminders completely. On your watch, click the digital crown to open the app menu, and then open Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you get to Breathe and tap on it. Tap Breathe Reminders. Select None to stop breathe reminders completely, or you can also change the frequency of them. You can also disable the breathe reminders on your watch using the Watch app for iPhone. Scroll down to the Breathe app and tap on it. Select Breathe Reminders. Disable the reminders by selecting None. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.